Hi everyone! Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell to never miss a video from the Chelsea Flower Show 2024. The Chelsea Flower Show is not just about the gardens. It's also about the blooms. This year's Great Pavilion promises to be a floral extravaganza, showcasing the season's best blooms from around the world. Expect to see an array of stunning flowers, from classic roses and peonies to exotic orchids and tropical plants. Our experts will guide you through this floral wonderland, highlighting the unique characteristics and growing tips for each variety.